We have a black swan event, but it's not a swan, it is a whale. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Do you know about DeepSeek? You need to know everything about that. Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, your favorite show about the cryptosphere. And today we are sad because we are going down from 100K. So we are back between 190,000. Everything was perfect with Donald Trump last week, but of course with Bitcoin, we go up and we go down. And right now we are even not following anymore the path we had in 2017. So we are asking why. And the answer is DeepSeek. DeepSeek is this new model, is Chinese, is open source, is competing with ChatGPT, and now is #1 on the App Store. And because of this, the market is collapsing. Why? Because, well, finally, the idea is that Nvidia and Circle, Oracle, all these companies might be in trouble because they got so huge valuations and maybe they don't need all that money. Because right now it seems that DeepSeek can do what they do with little money. Any case, #1 in the App Store and everything is falling. Solana is falling big time. The whole stock market falling in Japan, in China. Gold is falling, and Bitcoin, of course, is falling. Borowick was thinking, well, maybe now the money that people are putting into AI is coming into crypto because of this bad news, but it is not the case. The idea from Runowner is that it's a whole thing. People risking money into AI are the same people that risk it into crypto. And so AI actions, stock market, stock falls, then crypto falls too, and everything is falling. Everything is just the same. And you can see this is ChatGPT. You have to pay for that. And this is DeepSeek. And this is almost the same. And I've been playing with it and I can tell you that it's very good. We will tell you more in our channel, Inteligencia Artificial, but you have some samples out there. Like, for example, this guy decided to create an interactive map of the world with the most visited cities in the world, and it did it perfectly, better than ChatGPT, at no cost, and again, with very little money in order to build this. So the companies behind it doesn't need that money anymore. Curious enough that Dubai is the third city most visited in the world. That's why I'm living here, living the dream. If you want to know everything about DeepSeek, I'm telling you, but you have also this video. I'm going to leave it in the description below from CNBC, and they will tell you how companies like Nvidia should be worried about this. And this is opening a whole controversy. Should be worried about this. Is this a bubble like the .com in 2000? Well, maybe that's the case. Chamath Palihapitiya told us, let me say this quiet part out loud. AI model building is a money trap. So some people believing this is the .com bubble, and I went to ChatGPT, Perplexity, all these models to ask, what should we do if this is the case? How to know if we are in that situation right now? And well, I learned so many things. Like, for example, if we are being there, we should de-invest, not buy more of this, diversify our investments, and try to find another sectors, because maybe this is a huge bubble and we don't want to get trapped there. Also, well, consider that some of these projects may be okay in the future, like Amazon or Apple were in that bubble. So maybe having some money out of the market right now, it's okay. So you see everything collapsing and then you come into the market again and buy some of these good projects. Right now, you don't know which bubble to buy. Maybe those are huge opportunities for coming into the market again, maybe for buying more Ethereum. You can see we are going down big time. You can follow the winners and losers with dextrus.io, where you can see that official Trump is falling big time. I bought it here. You know, I always do it wrong. That's why I'm not A very successful trader. Well, any case, Trump going down, so many cryptocurrencies going down, maybe good chance for buying some hyperliquid, or maybe good chance for buying some SUI if you were out of these projects, or maybe still good time for buying Ethereum and Bitcoin and forget about the rest. I'm not selling. I'm just like this guy out there. Everything is okay for me. Everything's fine. I'm just so used to wild conditions in the market that I'm not afraid whatsoever. And I also like this post from Carlos Santana, because some people are going to be so concerned about this. Maybe they will scare you, they will fight you, as we said. And well, you can believe, and maybe it's true that this is the end of everything, and that with this DeepSeek, well, it's over for AI. But Carlos Santana here is telling us that this is today's news, but you know how this works. And tomorrow we'll have a good piece of information and everything will turn around. So at the same time, maybe it's not bad that they found a way, open source, for doing this cheaper, because now ChatGPT, OpenAI, and all the American ones can benefit from this as it's free for use. So maybe it's okay that they have all this money, because if well, in China they can run this model with so little money. With more money you can do more. So yeah, maybe just the fact of the day. And again, let's think what happened in the .com. Are we there yet? Because when do we know if the bubble is going to burst? And I ask, in this case, Gemini Advanced to tell me the timing. And we were going up from 1995 to 2000. And in 2000, from January to 20,000, we saw a last push up and some volatility, and then we started going down. You can see it here on TradingView. Remember to like my videos if you find this information useful, and you can see that rise from 1995. The last moment was crazy. This is a monthly chart, and then the burst. And right now, what do you think? Because I see just greens all the time. I don't see right now volatility. I don't even see a red month. So I think it's going to be very difficult to time the moment with these cycle tops, even for the Nasdaq, even for these technological companies. And also remember that other stock market opportunities were there. So maybe we just don't need to buy everything on technological companies. And also remember that if you just sold as it was going up, you made a lot of money, then you wait a little bit, like 2 years, things like that, and it starts going up again. So yeah, we have to think about this. Stop the video and think about your strategy. Are we going down now? I don't think so. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. I'm just gonna wait, and I'm gonna sell as we go up, and then I'm gonna wait 2 years, and I'm gonna go back again. I ask not just about the bubble on .com, but also about the bubble 2008 in the houses sector. Because again, maybe you wanna find a shelter in real estate, but again, remember, we just didn't have the bubble of the .com, but also the real estate one in 2009. So what about that one? There the idea will be to have liquid money, cash. We need cash, maybe gold or maybe bonds, but probably just a little bit of cash. Also here you have some information about being international, because even though retail lost money with real estate, it wasn't the same in all countries. Maybe you wanna even invest in a Swiss fiat currency or things like that. Just make your strategy, and as ZZ will tell you, stick with fundamentals. Here he's trying to explain us that with all this craziness, well, some projects will survive, and those will be the ones that have fundamentals, that really solve something out there Maybe Trump coin doesn't solve anything, but Ethereum does, Bitcoin does. So I think I'm gonna stick with the good ones, even though I might lose the possibility of making a 20x or 1000x. Also remember, for some optimism out there, that in 2017 we had all these drops and then we were good. Also here from Punk 808, we are on the monthly scale in the green and we are bearish. Come on, we have to be happy. Also consider that February is just a week from here. We are in the green in January, and February usually is the best month for Bitcoin with October. So maybe things are different right now, but I don't think so. And if that's the case, we're going to be sad today, but happy tomorrow. Also, because of this, Jim Cramer said that markets are gonna blood a crypto bloodbath today. So probably we're going to recover as you watch this video. Consider the good news. BlackRock bought 1 billion of Bitcoin this week. They don't want it to go down. Donald Trump owes 250 million on Ethereum, also owns Bitcoin, Solana, Chainlink, and Tron. He doesn't want things to go down. Also, Michael Saylor, for the 12th week in a row, he posted the Bitcoin tracker. That means that probably he's going to buy more Bitcoin. And we have breaking from Dubai. Companies in UAE soon to start buying billions worth of Bitcoin, just like US companies. UAE holds $4 billion worth of Bitcoin already, reportedly. So good. Remember that here we can buy real estate with crypto. You can have your salary in crypto. This is a crypto hub, of course. And we have one to be in United States, as remember that 0% capital gains might be charged on crypto based in United States. Consider also the good news that the Russia-Ukraine war is going to end soon. Lucky enough, Ethereum is still down 40% from its high in 2021. And yeah, we have so many good just news out there if you are smart enough of watching them. And also consider the manipulations of the market makers. Exchange is selling hard to liquidate all the leverage longs before the rally. And again, here Mari Part explaining us how they are doing this, how the exchanges continue to drive price down using Wintermute to market our assets, the sales assets on their order books. So yeah, we told you about this in previous videos, watch them all. I don't believe that memes have reached the end of the cycle like NFTs did in the past, as Income Sharks telling us. I believe it's quite the contrary. We are just at the beginning of this crazy stuff. And yes, we're going to have more models like this now. It's not just DeepSeek, we have Kimi, Key 1.5, things like this. It's okay, we don't care. We know dollar might go down, and we have the Fed meeting in just 2 days. That's important for Bitcoin to keep on track of this path that we told you. It might be down now like it was here, but eventually we are going to follow one of these three paths to the moon. Hopefully so. We'll see. It seems we are following now 2023. We will readjust this chart. It's okay. It's free. Also, do not be too scared, even though we have the theory of the double digits in the double zeros and we can start the crypto winter, but watch previous videos so you learn that it might not really be the case. And take advantage of BITPANDA's promotion. This is a present as you came to the end of the video. If you want 500,000 Shiba Inus, just BITPANDA. If you are in Europe, you have the link in the description below. If you buy, taking the opportunity that we have today in the market, today is a very nice day to buy 25 euros and you get this $10 on Shiba Inu that in the future might be worth it. Also, we have this cat to remind us that after the crypto information, we should chill and relax because it is not all just about the money. But we keep on learning and we will tell you everything about the crypto world also tomorrow here on Rodrigo Arnido Noticias Bitcoin. I hope this was worth it for you. Health, money, love, freedom, party in peace, and the best is yet to come.